again, Deborah Lynn, Kids Community Health and Nutrition Coordinator for Placer Community Action Council for both Placer and Nevada County. So we're doing a follow-up to the lentil paste. Remember, I had that bowl that I had the whole lentils in. So now we're going to make lentil nachos. Woo woo! All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this down so you can see my work surface. Okay. All right, so I've pretty much got everything ready to go. I've got the chips ready on parchment paper. My oven is preheated to 405 degrees. And I like parchment paper because nothing ever sticks to parchment paper. And it's compostable, so that's awesome. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I took my lentils and I warmed them back up, and I had some steak that I had left from a meal from my husband and myself, so I chopped that up into little bits, and we're going to go ahead and sprinkle that over the top of these chips. So, you know, you can use the lentils in place of black beans and pinto beans. It's just another variety, another way to kind of enjoy a new food and get some different types of nutrients in the body, because every different type of bean and legume all have different qualities within themselves. Okay, so I've already chopped up my green onions, so I'm going to go ahead and spread those green onions over the top of that. All right. And I'm going to save the cilantro and the avocados for last because I typically don't like heating those, okay? But my avocado is already sliced into its little cubes, and my cilantro is already chopped up into little bits. And so I'm going to take my cheese. I'm going to sprinkle that liberally over the top. All right. And if you want, you can put sliced tomatoes. It's not the tomato time of year, therefore I don't have sliced tomatoes. But if my tomatoes were producing outside, you could be sure that I would have tomatoes all over this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and stick that in the oven for probably, I don't know, 8 to 15 minutes. It just depends on 405 degrees Fahrenheit, like I said. Then when it comes out, I'll put the avocados, sprinkle those over the top with the cilantro, and a little bit of sour cream on my half, because I'm sharing this with my husband and he doesn't care for sour cream, which is fine. That's the kind of nice thing you can do with nachos. You can make them on pie plates. You could make them for individuals. So you can use, you know, you can repurpose these. And then you could put a little bit of parchment paper on there so you can make individual ones. You could probably put like 4 of these in the oven at a time. And everybody can do like a nacho party and make their own nachos. All right? So, lentil bean nachos. Easy peasy, because it was left from making the lentil paste that has been eaten on avocado toast and with a medium over easy egg on it. Yummy, yummy. All right. So happy lentils. Have a great one.